Hey everyone, welcome to Divhunt CMS course. In this course, you will learn how to use a collection system on a Divhunt platform. But before we begin, what actually is a CMS? A CMS, or a collection management system, lets you create and manage your content without a code. Instead of creating a separate page for every single blog post, product, or a project, you create one design and let the system fill out the content automatically for you. So how this actually works? First, you create a template for your content. Then you create a collection and fill out the collection with the dynamic fields. Once you've created the fields, you need to connect them to the actual tags on the template that you've created. Then you can open your collection and fill out the fields that you've created. And all of the tags on your template page will pull data from those fields and showcase it on actual web page. So why is this system so great? First of all, it saves time. You just edit content in one place and it will be changed everywhere. Second one is no coding required. You just fill out the content that you want and the system does all the work for you. The third one is organization. All of your content will be well organized and easier to manage. With this system, your website will be faster, smarter, and easier to manage. Join me in this course so you can see how all of this looks in practice.